In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can refund items here in Fortnite. The process is super simple. So we're going to get straight into this, but before we do, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But there's two methods to do this. Let's go ahead and start with method number one, and then we'll get into method number two. The first method is if you did just purchase an item, and this works within 24 hours, and it doesn't really matter what the item is. For example, let's go ahead and get loaded in the shop, and let's say I got this little pickaxe right here, the prickly axe. I'll purchase it real quick, and essentially once you go ahead and purchase an item, as long as you don't use the item, you'll be able to return to this screen on the item shop if it's still in here, and cancel the purchase directly on here. As you can see, if I cancel the purchase right here, it'll go ahead and refund the item for me, and I'll get all my V-Bucks back. Now, this is not the only method to actually knock this out and get items refunded. For example, method number two, what you're going to want to do is select on your profile picture right here, go to the little settings gear and go to the rightmost tab, which is account and privacy, and then select this little recent purchases tab. And within here, if there's any item that's been longer than 24 items, or say you've used it as well, what you can do is actually refund it using a return ticket. You have 3 of these per year, so essentially select the item, use a return ticket on it, and then it'll give you those V-Bucks back. And this method works specifically if it's been more than 24 hours. But that's really all there is to it. Those are the 2 ways to return stuff here in Fortnite. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.